In the previous video, we looked at the common errors in the way MDT can be used and the consequences of that. Uh, the video is a little complex because of the corrective actions that are required. So this is a video to summarize how the problem needs to be corrected. Essentially, there are three steps. One is to cancel the redundant therapies. Two is to reorder and cancel pulses that were already ordered in the system. And three, we go back and update the compliance meter. So let's just get back to the system and take a look at how this is to be accomplished. So we're here, we've got a patient's record opened up, and we'll just scroll down to the therapy compliance area, and we can see that there are 3 compliance meters. This is not the ideal situation. All the pulses were ordered on the 14th of Jan. So first thing we'll do is we'll cancel the therapies that are redundant, and we've chosen the oldest one to retain, and the other 2 we've decided to cancel. So that's done. We come back here. The treatment chart will not be updated at this point in time till we save and come back. But what we can do now is take a look at the pulses. The 6th pulse was what was ordered, and today's date in my system is the 1st of May, so it's likely that the 7th pulse also will be due to complete. So we'll order pulse 5 to 7, and that should bring up 3 lines on the new orders area. We'll mark the brand as government supply for one of them and save it. This is so that when we come back, we'll be able to cancel the other 2 for which the pulses may have been dispensed by the pharmacy to the patient. So let's just wait for the system to save, reopen the record, and what we'd expect to see are 2 compliance meters in cancel state and the milestones that have been added, or the pulses that have been added to the first. Let us now cancel the 2 extra medication orders and make sure that the one with government supply is the one that's going out to the patient when they visit the pharmacy after the consultation. The next step is to update the completion dates on the therapy meter. So we do that by moving it to the completed state and then asking the patient if they've been having the medicine on time and putting in an estimated completed date there. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's update the 7th pulse as well, because it's likely that the patient would have completed that. So that's the wrong month. And we save. We'll need to add a note before we save. So let's just say that we've been correcting the pulse completion dates, and let's save. Let's open to review whether all the changes are as per what we expect it to be. So we see that the one compliance meter that's in progress has the completion dates as we expect, and the patient's record is now reflective of the medicines that the patient has had.